I'm Carla Orner. I had a partial knee replacement done by Dr. Scott Wingeter. And this is my second one. I had the first one done 3 years ago. So I've had experience with the old program and with the new program. You know, it was so convenient having it here at the house and being able to get up in the morning and do it a little bit in the afternoon and again in the evening. So much better than having to get out of the house after surgery and go to physical therapy and spend a whole hour doing that work. It was just much more convenient, and I found by doing it several times a day, it was much more effective. The fact that it was at home, and also there were things I could control, so I could move the pedals in and out, which gave me more, stretched my knee farther, or if I was having a bad day, I could take it back down the other way. The fact that you had control of it as you were doing it, and that then the results got sent to the physician. Absolutely. In fact, my sister had hip surgery 3 days ago, and I said, "Are they giving you a portable connect?" And she said, "I don't know."